Alright, so let's look at the three ways work can happen in MAINTelligence. The first is corrective maintenance, and that originates with a work request. The second is preventative maintenance, and that originates with a task that's scheduled by a calendar. So it could be a task done every week, every 6 months, whatever. The third is task that originates from a task as well, and that task becomes due based on the data that's collected. So we call that predictive maintenance or condition-based maintenance. All three of these ways lead to work orders. Okay, let's look at the first way. So someone submits a work request. They see a bolt that's loose, but they don't have the tool to do it. So they submit that. It becomes approved, hopefully, and then issued. Once it becomes issued, a MAINTelligence work order is created in the submitted state, which the planner then approves and issues to the person with the right tool or the right time, who then hopefully completes it. So that's pretty straightforward. When you introduce tasks through either of the other two types of maintenance, preventative or predictive, those are sort of, you can think of those as work order templates. So an example of this would be an oil change. Oil maybe needs to be changed every 6 months. So every 6 months that task would become due, and then it would spit out a work order in either a submitted form or an approved form, depending on how you configure MAINTelligence, which would then be issued and completed. Or if it's something predictive maintenance, maybe a vibration spectrum is collected, and based on the shape of that vibration spectrum, the algorithm determines that this is a bearing fault or a misalignment. Then an appropriate MAINTelligence work order would be either submitted or approved, issued to whoever can fix that, and then completed. So some MAINTelligence users use MAINTelligence to collect data, but they use SAP to manage work orders. So if that's the case, then once a MAINTelligence work order is approved and the driver that synchronizes work between SAP and MAINTelligence is executed, that MAINTelligence work order has a status of sent/awaiting response, because it's up to the SAP administrator to manage that work order. So it becomes a created or notification created. That's the code in SAP. And then it's all managed in here. So it can be put in process and then completed, or put in process and then canceled. And each status in SAP is reflected once the driver is executed in MAINTelligence. So that's how workflow happens in MAINTelligence. I hope that clears it up for you.